Hello lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's again Fitty. It's been a while. Today I'm going to be showing you everything I do to my hair to make it grow fast. Before we continue, just take out time and subscribe. It's pretty easy. As you can see, this is a shower cap on my hair. I deep condition my hair first. So now I'm going to wash the hair and then I will show you the whole process that I do virtually every week. Deep conditioning your hair is very vital for your hair. Even at this stage, you do not have to say, oh, my hair is very short, so I do not need to deep condition it. Whatever care you give to your hair at this stage will determine the future of your hair when it's actually long. Always remember, the short hair you have now will make your ends in future. So you want to take care of them so that they will keep on growing healthily. Meanwhile, if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, make sure you subscribe to receive notifications. Make sure you hit the notification button to have notifications each time a video is uploaded. Now I am just going to wash off my hair. My hair has been in this plastic cap for about 3 hours, so I'm just going to wash the deep conditioner off. In case you're wondering what deep conditioner I used on my hair, I used the Originals hair mayonnaise. I'll wash my hair and then I'll come back to show you what I do to my hair after I wash it off. Just a quick reminder, my hair is exactly 1 month. It's been exactly a month since I cut my hair. On social media, especially on Facebook, a lot of people are already telling me they already noticed some growth. What do you think? Do you think the hair has grown from last month? And how long did it take you to notice growth on your hair after your big chop, if actually you did a big chop? But if you have never done a big chop, it's still okay. Stay tuned to see how I'm going to do it. I'll be right back. Hello guys, I'm right back. So this is my hair after rinsing it out. I left my hair in this plastic bag for about 3 hours, but you don't need to. It's just because I had time today. I wasn't going anywhere, so I just decided to leave it for about 3 hours. So I'm basically going to be showing you what I do to my hair every wash day. Like, this is what I do to my hair virtually every week. I deep condition, then I use my whipped shea butter cream. I do this at home by myself. Perhaps you haven't watched the video, you can check on my YouTube channel how I make my own whipped shea butter cream. It's very rich in nutrients to fortify hair strength. It has 5 oils infused to it. It's very good. It's very good. You can try this at home by yourself and also use it on your hair. It moisturizes my hair very well, and my daughter's hair as well. Sometimes when her hair is difficult to comb, I just apply it, then it combs so easily. As you all know, shea butter is very good for the hair. You can always buy the raw shea butter and then you make it to this form to be hair friendly, and you use it on your hair. I always like to oil my hair while it's still wet like this, because it will moisturize my hair more when it is wet than when it is dry. Always try to moisturize your hair with a cream when it is wet, because your hair will really absorb the oil better. So I take like so and then I rub it on my hair. Kind of rub it. A lot of you have asked me what I'm doing to my hair. This is basically what I do every week to my hair. I will also be showing you what I do like every morning and every night before I go to sleep on my hair, because my edges are not really the way I wanted. I'm giving them some special treatment, some special care, and I'm going to be showing you in my next video. So please stay tuned and make sure you subscribe and hit the notification button to receive notifications each time a video is uploaded. I've also been using this stimulating growth oil from Originals. You can use any growth oil of your choice, or you can use any natural oil of your choice to oil your scalp. You know, it's very important to stimulate your scalp with a growth oil to stimulate growth. just try to put it in between into my scalp as much as I can. After that, I take my scalp stimulating brush and I just try to stimulate. It helps to increase blood flow. As you all know, blood flow will help your hair grow fast. I'll just go ahead and massage my scalp. I do this for about 5 minutes and then I'm done. Go ahead, take my brush and brush my hair. After brushing, I'll go in with my comb. That was just like to detangle the hair a little bit so it won't hurt when I try to comb it out. After that, I can create like a side part. Guys, this is basically what I do to my hair every week. A lot of you have been asking me and I've shown you everything I do weekly, and I'm going to be showing you what I do on a daily basis on my hair as well. So please stay tuned and make sure you subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to this platform. We are going to be having fun on this platform on our hair, and always remember, it's all about self-love. Love yourself, love your hair, and all the other things will come. Thank you for watching and do not miss out on the next video. If this video was helpful to you, please kindly subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye bye.